Am I dreaming, y'all? Did this lady just call Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas a nigga?
What?
Really? Really, lady? I say just about anything. Hello, everyone, and thank you for stopping by to see San Fe today. Yeah, I can't believe this. I cannot believe that this mess is going on right here today. I'm going to say something to you black people. Black people, y'all being fooled by the far left, the radical left, the Democrats. Y'all are being fooled. I'm going to show you something that will piss you off. It should piss any black people off. It's pissing the white people off. Only the ones on the right side, though. The Republicans, conservatives. These people have gotten bold. They call you names in front of your face, talk about you badly, but y'all sit back and take it. You think it's okay. You think these people are for you. I'm talking about this Roe versus Wade. We know black people kill babies in their wombs more than the white people do. These people are so mad and angry and outraged, they upset about the Supreme Court justice overturning Roe versus Wade. They have gone to the internet picking on one man, Clarence Thomas, Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, picking on this one man. He's not the only one voted against the abortion. Why y'all picking on him? Is it because he's black? Is that it? I don't understand. Yo, I don't understand the left. But then again, I do. Maybe some of them crazy, y'all. But it's not all of them. It's not all of them. I'm going to show y'all something in a minute. But make sure you watch this whole video. Trust me, you don't want to miss anything. You don't want to miss not one thing, okay? And make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do that for San Fe because it helps me out in the algorithm. Please do that, all right? Watch the whole video like I said, okay? Trust me, you want to see this video. Also, go to TimmyLilyCreations.com, okay? Mugs, cups, can coasters, and other stuff coming soon. And also, go on over there to CookingWithSandraFaye.com. New recipe today. All right, moving right along here. I'm going to show y'all this right here. You know, people taking their Twitter, the internet. Like I said, these people going crazy, y'all. They're going crazy. They saying anything they want to say about you. Anything about this man right here. And they get a pass. That's the problem right there. They get a pass. How can they get a pass? That's what I want to know. How can you call someone a name, a horrible name that hasn't been used in years? I'm pretty sure some people use it. Black people use it all the time, though. That's what they call each other, a nig. They do that all the time. But you don't hardly see white people doing that anymore. But you know what? If you're on the left side, you get a pass, like I said. Right here on Twitter, this person right here, AG Indy Cat 30. Doesn't the nig realize his rights are next? Doesn't he realize this, y'all? Does he? And she's only saying this because he's married to a white woman. Interracial marriage. So she thinking his rights gonna be next. That's what they gonna judge against next. No, that's not what they're going to judge against next. I'm going to tell you later on. Here, y'all, this woman here, this white woman with these thick, big glasses that she can see through 4 states, this woman right here is calling him a neg on the internet. Do you think she was canceled? Do you think it was taken down? Oh, yeah, some people was upset about it on her Twitter. I think she even tried to apologize, but they ain't accepting an apology because that's what she meant, okay? When you put it out the first time, that's what you meant. Why you apologizing now, honey? Stand your ground, okay? You call them a nigga. That's what they're doing now. Then we have maniacs like this. Hold on, let me pull this up for you right here. Pay close attention to what this idiot says right here. Idiot! They all across the internet. Come on, show how stupid you are, man.
You overturned Roe versus Wade. And the leader of the pack, Clarence Thomas, you handsy, good-for-nothing, sexual harassing motherfucker, you creep. You creep. If you had gotten what you want from Anita Hill with your overtures and your sexual advancements, and you had somehow, some way impregnated her, right? Being married and all that, right? Mr. Judge, Mr. Supreme Court Judge. If you had impregnated an Anita Hill, what would you have done with that baby? You'd have paid for the abortion and you'd have paid the hush money because you're a creep sucker, you. Clarence. Pubic hair Clarence, you freak. You freaky little horny old dirty breath. I know your breath smells like old coffee, newspaper, and stale Band-Aids, you creepy kook, you.
How can he call somebody creepy? He looks creepy. This is crazy, y'all. That man's about to go insane. He act like he had smelled Clarence Thomas' breath. I know your breath stink. I know it stink. I know you stupid, though. I know you stupid. Any fool can get on the internet and talk about people like that. Do you think he was counseled, y'all? You think they're going to cancel his account like they do conservatives? Do you think, y'all? No, ain't nothing going to happen to this man. No, nothing. He talked about Anita Hill. How many of y'all remember that? Anita Hill, you know, they claimed that, well, at least Anita Hill claimed, that Clarence Thomas was sexually harassing her in the workplace. Yeah, that's what she said. But it says here from the Daily Wire that 6 pieces of evidence Anita Hill was lying. 6 pieces that she was lying, y'all. Let me pull them up for you right quick. 1, a witness said she was told details about the supposed sexual harassment while the two were living in Washington. Except this witness was not living in Washington when Hill worked for Thomas. She wasn't living there. Why they lied? They think that they couldn't check. You can't check to see where somebody was living. Why would you lie and say somebody was living there? Why? We know why. 2, Hill followed Thomas, a man she accused of sexual harassment, from job to job. If someone sexually harassed you, why would you follow them from job to job? Why? He sexually harassed you. Why you gonna follow him everywhere he go? Like you in love with him. I just think maybe that Thomas, I think he rejected this woman. Okay, he loved his white wife, okay? I think she got rejected. That's it. I think that's what it was, y'all. That's just my opinion. She claimed that she feared losing her government job if she did not follow Thomas from job to job. That don't even make no nonsense. She could have told somebody. She could have recorded him. She could have went to human resources, but this woman did nothing. But instead followed him from job to job. He didn't threaten to kill her. What was he going to do? Her job? Lose her job? Heck, I would want to lose my job if somebody sexually harassing me. Give me a transfer to another government job. You know, these people stupid. They expect you to believe anything. Hill made numerous phone calls to her supposed sexual harasser after she stopped working for him. Numerous phone calls. So you're going to phone somebody, call them on the phone, after you stop working for them and they sexually harass you. Who does that? Especially if they're being sexually harassed, sexually abused. Who calls their sexual harasser numerous times on the telephone? Yeah, I thought so. Hill initially asked to be kept anonymous when her accusations were presented to Thomas. But if her accusations were true, then Thomas would know that the accusations were launched by Hill, so why ask for to be anonymous? Why? She gonna know it's you because he ain't done his, well, he's not gonna know really. That's what I meant to say. He's not going to know who did it, so he needs to know, y'all. Why she want to be anonymous? Why? Okay? He has a right to face his accuser. All of us do. Okay? That's our constitutional right. We have a right to know who's accusing us of something. Why keep it anonymous? Because you know you lying. That's why. Ooh, wee, y'all. Yep. Yep. Let me see. What else? Let me pull something up. Number 5, y'all. Number 5. Kind of slow today. My reflex ain't too good today. It said Hill lied 5 times about being told something from a Democratic staffer, which she later admit to under oath. She lied 5 times. So how are we supposed to believe somebody who lied 5 times? How? How are we supposed to believe? That's just like the boy who cried wolf. All them lies. Nobody believed him. We can't believe you. We can't believe this lady. Also, a dozen females who work with Thomas and Hill gave favorable testimonies about Thomas and refuted the claims of Hill of Thomas' inappropriate behavior. All these women work with him. I'm pretty sure some of them were fine. Fine as hell. But he want to only pursue you? Huh? None of these women said they touched him, harassed him, talked dirty to him. None of them said that. Okay? But you are the only one. The one who lied 5 times. And we're supposed to believe, yeah. You were the most beautiful thing in the office. He couldn't resist you. He was going to put his marriage on the line to his white wife just to try to poke you. Y'all, I can't. Moving right along here. Lord have mercy, y'all. You know what, though? His wife, Gina Thomas, this is from the Insider, left a voicemail for Anita Hill asking her to apologize for accusing Clarence Thomas of sexual harassment. Her name is Virginia Thomas, but they call her Jeannie. Apologize to my husband. You lying so-and-so. Apologize to him. He didn't do that. But you think she did? No, she called it weird. She said it was weird. Okay? So let me tell you, though, the people on the left, y'all, they believe this. They believe everything that people are saying about Thomas, Clarence Thomas. I just don't understand, y'all. People outraged, robbing, killing, protesting, tearing up stores. It's awful. It's awful. I'm telling you, it's coming in a state near you. City too. Probably some of y'all already know about it. It's ridiculous. Right here, Malcolm X. I'm not that fond of him, but you know what? He does make a lot of sense sometimes. And when I heard this, I was like, oh my goodness, yeah. When you see this, when you listen to this right here, let me tell you something, white people, don't get offended, okay? Just listen to the words of what he's saying. Because it's true is what he's saying. It's really true. Don't get angry because the man didn't lie. Especially today. When you think about what's going on today, he did not lie. All right.
The liberal is more deceitful, more hypocritical than the conservative. Both want power, but the white liberal is the one who has perfected the art of posing as the Negro's friend and benefactor. And by winning the friendship and support of the Negro, the white liberal is able to use the Negro as a pawn or a weapon in this political football game that is constantly raging between the white liberals and the white conservatives. The American Negro is nothing but a political football, and the white liberals control this ball through tricks or tokenism, false promises of integration and civil rights. In this game of deceiving and using the American Negro, the white liberals have complete cooperation of the Negro civil rights leaders who sell our people out for a few crumbs of token recognition, token gains, token progress.
Y'all saw those tokens, right? That's more. There's a lot more tokens out there. A whole lot more. Here's they're posing as your friend. Did y'all hear that? you hear that, black people? Do you hear that? Those radical white left people, they're posing as your friend. They want you to get rid of your babies. They don't want you to reproduce. But y'all so mad at the conservatives, whites and black conservatives. Y'all so mad at them because we are against abortion. Y'all call them white supremacists. Why would a white supremacist want to save black babies? You answer that for me. Why? Tell me why, okay? It's to me now, your white liberal leftist far radical people are the one who are against black people, okay? They're trying to kill y'all off. Like I said, they know black women are the ones who get rid of their babies. Y'all can't see that? It's a proven fact. Look it up. Google it. Y'all Google everything else. He said they use y'all as a pawn. They poses as your friend. Of course they do that. That's how you get people to do what you want them to do. You pose as their friend. You act like you with them. And their agendas. You pose as a friend. You're not going to pose as an enemy. You're not going to do that. They connect us through trick. They control you through tricks. And not only that, your political leaders, they're tricking you too. Some people ain't going to see this, y'all. You can play this in front of them, let them hear this. They're going to be like, Malcolm X don't know what the heck he talking about. When some people really was for Malcolm X. I don't know if he was a conservative or not, but I'm telling you, the man spoke the truth, okay? Some things I do like about him. Some things I do. I ain't going to lie. I'm starting to like him more and more. If you do too, like it, put it on down in the comment section. They let me know if y'all listen to me or not. Put it on down now. Here y'all from the Washington Post. Texas AG says he'll defend sodomy laws if Supreme Court revisits the ruling. Y'all know what sodomy is. Sodom and Gomorrah. Sodomy law. Sleeping with the same sex. Doing the unthinkable to each other. Same-sex marriages. An abomination. My God said it was wrong. But their God, the devil, says it's okay. Anyone who thinks that this is all right, anyone who thinks that it's okay for a man to lie with a man and a woman to lie with a woman, you going down in the ground with the devil. I don't know if there's such thing as a hell or not, but I'm pretty sure there's a place somewhere for you that you're not going to like. That's what they're saying the Supreme Court Justice is going to do next. They are going to overthrow the sodomy thing. They're going to give it back to the states. You know what Georgia's going to do? Georgia. We don't agree with that stuff here in Georgia. It shouldn't be with the federal government anyway. Why should the federal government care who you sleep with, who you poking? Why? Why should they care? That's not even in the Constitution. If it's not in the Constitution, it don't need to be on the federal level, y'all. Why? Ugh. I'm so sick of these people. Let me tell y'all something. It's going to get worse, y'all. If they overthrow that, that's a term for it. I forgot the name of it. Some court case, Kenny, somebody, I forgot. Like Roe versus Wade or something like that to do with the sodomy thing. It got approved by the government. It was some years ago. I don't know how long ago. But they are thinking about overthrowing that too. Thomas is like, okay. Y'all want to play games? Y'all want to call me names, call me niggas and stuff like that? Okay. Something else coming up for debate. And it definitely is not interracial marriage. Interracial marriage. It's not going to be that. No. Sodomy laws is coming. And which it should. He said, I think so. Okay. You get mad at me all you want. I don't care. You coming over here, trolls. So yeah, I don't care. Get mad all you want. Okay. Let me get out of here. Go down in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think about this whole thing. Do you think it's okay? Should these people get a pass for calling Clarence Thomas a nag? Also, tell me why they not picking on the other justices. Why they only picking on this one man and he's black? Why? Okay. Like I said before, I'm not prejudiced, y'all. I love my white people. I got white people in my family, okay? My granddaddy was white also, so I don't hate white people. No, yeah, old as I am, 63, I had a white granddaddy back in the day in Mississippi. Woo, he loved black women. I can tell you that. They had about 7 kids from my grandmama. But let me tell you though, a lot of people going to see this and they're going to be upset because they can't get their way. They're going to continue to loot, riot, protest. And our political leaders so far in the Democratic Party going to continue to tell them to protest. I don't think that's right, y'all. They can tell them to protest, but, conservatives can't protest. We can't do that, y'all. We can't do it. Oh, it's called an insurrection. Y'all get thrown in jail. But these people can go in stores and loot, protest in front of justices' houses, judges' houses, throw bricks and stones and pee on police officers. They get away with everything. Steal, kill, everything. Rape, murder, everything, y'all. But nothing happens. Nothing. And they got them on camera. That's the bad part about it. They got them on camera, but nothing happens. Woo. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Do that for Sandfade. Do that for me. Let me get out of here. Say bye, Trump. What you got to say?
Hillary Clinton was the single worst Secretary of State in the history of this country.
And she was. He didn't lie. Hillary Clinton was the worst Secretary of State ever. She's the worst person ever. She's evil, y'all. She's a demon, too. All right. Moving right along here. Ooh, Lord. And on that note, y'all. And on that note, make sure that you come back to Sandfade Unscripted.